Essential tools every mechanic should have. A comprehensive guide. Mechanics are the unsung heroes who keep our vehicles running smoothly. Their skill and expertise are undeniably crucial, but they also rely heavily on a set of essential tools to get the job done efficiently. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools is paramount. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 essential tools that every mechanic should have in their toolbox. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Socket and ratchet set. A socket and ratchet set is the foundation of any mechanic's toolkit. This versatile tool allows you to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts with ease. It typically includes a variety of socket sizes and attachments, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job. When investing in a socket and ratchet set, opt for high-quality, durable sets that encompass both metric and standard measurements. This tool is a true workhorse and will be used frequently in almost every automotive repair or maintenance task. 2. Wrenches. Wrenches are indispensable for turning nuts and bolts when a socket and ratchet won't fit. They come in various types, including combination wrenches, adjustable wrenches, and pipe wrenches. It's essential to have a diverse range of wrench sizes to handle different tasks. Combination wrenches, with one open end and one closed end, are versatile and can be used in a wide array of applications. Adjustable wrenches are useful for handling various sizes of fasteners, while pipe wrenches are designed for gripping and turning pipes and rounded objects. A well-rounded set of wrenches is essential for any mechanic. 3. Screwdriver set. Screws are ubiquitous in automotive components, making a screwdriver set an essential tool. Ensure your set includes both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers in various sizes for maximum versatility. Phillips head screwdrivers are especially common in vehicle interiors and engine bays. A good screwdriver set is vital for removing or installing screws efficiently and with precision. 4. Pliers. Pliers are multitaskers in a mechanic's toolbox. They excel at gripping, twisting, cutting, and bending, making them essential for various automotive tasks. A well-rounded set of pliers should include needle-nose pliers, slip-joint pliers, and locking pliers. Needle-nose pliers are great for reaching into tight spaces, while slip-joint pliers offer adjustable jaw sizes for versatility. Locking pliers, often referred to as vice grips, provide a secure grip and locking mechanism, making them ideal for holding objects in place. These tools are invaluable for a wide range of applications, from hose clamps to electrical connectors. 5. Jack and jack stands. Safety should always be a top priority when working on a vehicle, and a hydraulic floor jack and jack stands are essential tools to ensure your safety. The hydraulic floor jack allows you to lift your vehicle quickly, while jack stands provide a stable and secure platform to support the car while you work underneath it. Never rely solely on a jack to hold a vehicle. Always use jack stands to prevent accidents. Proper use of these tools is vital to avoid injury and ensure a secure working environment. 6. Torque wrench. Achieving the correct level of torque when tightening bolts is crucial in automotive work. An over-tightened bolt can lead to damage, while an under-tightened one can result in components coming loose. A torque wrench allows you to apply precise torque, following manufacturer specifications. Investing in a quality torque wrench ensures accuracy in your work and helps maintain the integrity of the vehicle. 7. Diagnostic tools. Modern vehicles are equipped with complex electronic systems, and diagnostic tools have become indispensable for mechanics. OBD2, onboard diagnostics 2, scanners are a must-have for reading and interpreting error codes, making troubleshooting and repairs more efficient. These tools provide critical insights into the vehicle's health, helping mechanics pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. Some advanced diagnostic tools even offer live data streams and graphing capabilities, making them invaluable for diagnosing complex problems. 8. Hammer and mallet. Hammers and mallets are versatile tools that come in handy for various tasks in automotive repair. They are used for persuading stubborn parts, tapping components into place, and even straightening metal surfaces. There are different types of hammers and mallets available, including ball-peen hammers, dead blow mallets, and rubber mallets. Each type serves a specific purpose, so having a variety of these tools in your arsenal ensures you can handle a wide range of situations effectively. 9. Oil filter wrench. Routine oil changes are part of regular vehicle maintenance, and an oil filter wrench simplifies the removal and installation of oil filters. These wrenches come in various designs, including band style, cap style, and socket style, to accommodate different types of oil filters. Using an oil filter wrench ensures a secure seal and proper lubrication, preventing leaks and ensuring the engine's longevity. 10. Pry bars. Pry bars, also known as pry tools or pry bars, are invaluable for separating parts and components without causing damage. They come in various shapes and sizes, including flat bars and curved bars, and are used for tasks like removing trim pieces, prying apart stubborn components, or carefully disassembling intricate assemblies. Pry bars are indispensable when finesse is required, and brute force should be avoided. Conclusion: having the right tools is paramount for mechanics to perform their jobs efficiently and safely. A well-rounded toolbox that includes these top 10 essential tools ensures that you're well prepared to tackle a wide range of automotive maintenance and repair tasks, whether you're a professional mechanic or a dedicated DIY enthusiast. Investing in high-quality tools not only makes your work easier but also contributes to the longevity and safety of the vehicles you work on. Remember, your skills and expertise are essential, but having the right tools at your disposal takes your automotive repair game to the next level. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.